How to get $140 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, 50% off, $25 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and click on redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. Once you're in the website, you have to go ahead and log into your account. Go through the menu and select the items that you want to order and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you have to do is head back. Once you are in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to $140 working coupon code for Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.